Tired of coming home to a messy litter box? Today I am reviewing this HOMERUNPET Automated Litter Box. I do need to tell you, it was provided to me to do this review, but they were great. They gave me no instructions. They were like, we just like your content, do a real review and tell the people what you find. So that's what we're gonna do. First off, I'm gonna show you how to put it together. These are the only parts that come in it. And while I do this, I'm gonna tell you about the 3 most common questions that I've found on the internet, and I'm gonna particularly pay attention to those for you in this review. So interestingly, one of the most common questions that I found on the internet was, how effective is it? Like, does it keep the kitty litter actually clean? So we're gonna let the cat use it and find out. And speaking of that, that is the second most common question that I found, which was, will your cat actually use it? The third question, which I also found to be an interesting question, was, how loud is it while it's operating and in your house? Now, while I've told you about those 3 questions, I have put it together completely. Let me show you how to install the bags. Sometimes that gets a little confusing. So the kit does come with supplies. It comes with a deodorizing gel pack. These gray ones are for the used kitty litter, and these white ones are for collecting what I believe to be the poop. Oh, and in case you're not in the United States, it comes with kind of every kind of adapter plug known to man. So wherever you are in the world, you can use this. All right. Let's install the waste litter bag. Okay, first thing I'm gonna say, because I've used some of the other robot litter boxes in the past, and this is an absolutely enormous drawer to store the waste litter. So you install the bag, furl it over the edges, and then here there are actual bag clips to hold the front in place like that. There you go, we're all set for that one. Here for the waste collection, we pull this off, get ourselves a bag. Now I'm gonna say, I don't know how many cats you have, but this is really, you could have a lot of waste in here. Let's put this right here like so, on top, like that. And then this, the deodorizer, the gel deodorizer. Ooh, smells nice actually. Just goes right there like that. Install this back in the machine. With the removal of this protective plastic, we're ready to go. So I'm gonna fast forward you a couple weeks where I'm gonna let the cat use this and give you those answers right now to those 3 most common questions. So I'm sitting here next to this HOMERUNPET automated kitty litter machine, which is absolutely outstanding. There are so many things that I really love about this. I'm going to show you how easy it is to change the debris, the bags, that kind of stuff. I'm additionally going to show you again where the supply of kitty litter is. All those things make your life so much easier than regular kitty litter. I know these things are a big purchase, but this is one of those things that I would say is absolutely worth every penny of the big purchase, because not only does it make your life so much easier, but it also, I believe, long run will save a ton of money, because the big difference is when we had the regular old manual kitty litters, we had to get like the fancy crystals so that it didn't smell and it wasn't that terrible when I had to clean out the kitty litter. Here with this, you just use the most generic kitty litter that you can find. So it is super inexpensive. It is also much more efficient as opposed to when you're using those generic kitty litter boxes, which just get disgusting and you throw everything out. This keeps cleaning itself, so it is much more efficient that way. So let me quickly show you how you change out the bags. Okay, so it comes with a supply of bags. Let me show you how easy it is to change. Simply open this. Forgot I had changed this out recently, so there's almost nothing in there. Let's go to where the action is. Let's see what we got here. Woo! Okay, so now this is nice and full. But this is all you have to do. This is all that's involved in changing the kitty litter. Look at this. Simply take the bag out. It's got pull ties. Just go like this. Tie it up. That's it. That's all that's involved in changing the kitty litter. Changing the bag, you simply go like this, open up the new bag, slide your new bag in, just roll it over the edges, put the little edge support back on it, put it back in. That is it. No getting dirty, no extra work, doesn't get any easier than that. So here is where the magic happens. This is the supply of kitty litter. So as it changes and filters out the litter, puts it in that bag, it pulls more from here, so you always have enough kitty litter. And we've done a pretty good dent. So I think the timing's right. About every 2 weeks, we're just gonna fill this up. Again, the most generic kitty litter in the world, and you are ready to go again. Another thing I wanted to show you was their app, which is super cool, easy to work with. What I really like about it is you can see how frequently the cat's using the kitty litter. Anyway, this is freaking cool. You cannot possibly go wrong with this. You should definitely get it, as a matter of fact. There's a link here on the screen. There's another one down in the description. Neither one costs you anything extra to use it. While we're here, it's super important now on YouTube, you gotta hit that hype function. If I've added some value to this conversation, you gotta hit that hype function, really important. Like, subscribe, and in the comments section, let us know what you are moving to. What are you moving from? Is this something you're gonna go with? What kind of cats do you have? That's always an entertaining conversation. Put what kind of cat you have in the comments. All right, I'm heading out. You have a good weekend, and I'll see you in the next video.